Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that you get notification as I upload my video. So guys, today is April 23rd. That is the election day, and I hope it's like 11 a.m. right now. I hope most of you might have casted their vote. I'm yet to do, so I will be going in some time. So before that, I have planned a challenge. I feel so good. I can't even tell you. The reason is because it's been years since I did a proper full day challenge because I'm working and I don't get offs, and then I get off on Saturday and Sunday. Sundays I actually keep it for my rest, and then Saturdays I feel little lazy, to be honest. I don't want to give any other reasons, right? So yeah, today I'm going to do this challenge. So this challenge is called election day. Yeah, so you can see like the letters and everything is there, no? So I will be eating food according to these things. Now I have not had my breakfast, nothing. I'm like yet to have. So right now we'll be starting with ELE. So you can see with the name, right? So as of now I'm going to start with ENL for my breakfast. Now for my breakfast, let me tell you very clearly, I have actually not planned or did any mathematics or anything for my challenge. I'm just randomly going to go. I don't know, because even the shops are like closed as of now. I think maybe after 6 they will open, so I don't know, but I have to manage my days like breakfast, lunch, snack and dinner as well. So starting with the breakfast, I am going to have E for egg and L for lemon. So guys, I don't want two eggs. I'll just take one egg and lime. My egg is going to India and Africa. My breakfast, let's, so E for egg and L for lemon. So let's just squeeze lemon on egg. I don't know how it's going to taste. Let's have it. So guys, here is my breakfast. E and L, that is egg and lemon. I've never tasted this, so let's see how it is. Yeah, I've added the basic seasoning. Let's have it. Next letter will be ECTION is pendant, right? So let's see what we have for lunch. Maybe I'll mix 2 letters or 3 letters and try to have something for lunch. So it is election day. Hey guys, so yeah, here I have casted my vote. So yeah, morning I had a very light breakfast, I would say, because it was super light and I'm feeling so hungry. So now we have with the letters ECTION and then DAY, right? So now for lunch I was thinking to go with ECT. Actually I wanted to make something from eggplant and with curd and then with tomato. So I just wanted to make some kind of a gravy or something like this out of it. But sad thing is that all the shops near my home, they are closed, and so I thought, okay, let's just order in Zepto. And even Zepto, as you can see the screenshots, even Zepto is closed, because I had few ideas. Let me tell you, I didn't pre-plan at all. I didn't pre-plan with what is the meal that I'm going to have, what I'm going to do, nothing. I just randomly started, and I think I should have at least planned. So now I don't have anything. That's the reason I was just finding with alternatives, because I have to eat something for lunch. And I have got 2 things. So for E, I have elaichi with me. Yes, it's cardamom, but we also call it elaichi. So yes, we have elaichi with us for E, and for the letter C, I have curd with me. So what I'm going to do is, of course, I am hungry right now. I'm really hungry. So what I'm going to do is I am going to make curd rice. That is, I'm going to add the curd and just a little bit of rice in that. And in that I will be adding the elaichi. So let me tell you, I really don't like elaichi. Even in my desserts, even in biryani, nothing, nowhere, right? Because it spoils the entire palate. But now since I'm left with no options, I have to go with elaichi and curd. So we'll make the curd rice first and then mix the elaichi very nicely, and we'll have it. So Is my lunch. This is E and C, that is like elaichi and curd rice, because it's obviously lunch, and breakfast I had very little. I don't even like elaichi. Like, can you see here? Wait, I'll show you. Can you see? This is actually elaichi. Wait, I'll show you. Look at this. This is actually elaichi. I don't know how it's going to be. So let's just mix and take the first bite. Here's the first bite. I think I'll just take one more bite because, yeah, here it is. Now the elaichi smell is coming. It's like I'm eating some dessert. But it's not bad. I thought it would be very bad, but it's not bad. It's good. So let's have it. Almost done. Let's go with the last spoon. Hi guys, so I finished up T for tea, and now I have IONDAY. So for ION, I actually told you, right, like the Zepto and everything was not working. So finally, after like now it's like after 7 p.m. So finally now it's working, but the price and everything was way too high. So what I did is I went to the nearby store. It was open, thank God. I went there and I bought few things. So let me show you what I have. So now I'm going to have ION. So for I have ice cream, and for O I have Oreo, and for N I have Nutella, and I have a bowl. Yeah, that's my kitten. So let's just mix all together and make a snack. N for Nutella. Let's just mix this together and have. We will complete the letter election. Let's have. It's a great combo. It is actually so good. So I have the next three letters with me, that is D, A and Y. And since I'm little bit diet and health conscious, although I have ate ice cream, Nutella, Oreo and all, but I'm a little bit like, you know, conscious about health and all, I thought of making dinner for the shake. Sorry, dinner for the shake. I mean, I thought of making shake for the dinner. So for DAY, I have dates. I'm obviously going to use the dates. A, I'll take an apple, and for Y, I'll have yogurt. So what I'll do, I'll just make a shake and I'll drink. So yeah, let's go and do that. Guys, unfortunately my blender is not working at all, but I cannot starve, so I'm just going to make a little smoothie bowl like that. So I have D for dates, A for apple, and of course I have yogurt. So let me just put in the bowl. So I have my bowl ready. So we have yogurt, apple and dates. Let's taste them. So let's have the last meal of the day. By the way, it is like 10:30. It has been delayed. It's okay. Let's try having these. Bismillah. Not bad. It's good. I think the yogurt, since it is like very thick based, I think this actually will fill the tummy. Yeah, it's good. Only thing that I'm actually regretting, not regretting, only thing that I'm feeling like a little bad is that I should have planned my day so that I could have got things in the previous day and I could have made a proper meal and not like bits and piece snacks. Because in the entire day, if you see, I think I enjoyed my lunch because I had something. After that, all the things were like bit and bit snacks, and even this ball, I don't think it's going to fill my stomach, but yeah, it's like quite, you know, creamy and also I think it's good. It's good for dinner. So yeah, that's it. I feel so happy that I have done my challenge after a long time, and there is a very exciting challenge that I'm going to shoot this Saturday for sure. And you guys have also voted for that, so I will definitely do. So yeah, I really enjoyed doing this challenge, and if you like this video, then hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I shall see you with a new video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. My scarf never supports. Bye bye. And yeah, I hope you all have voted.